Good morning, it's Jonathan Barratt with the morning debrief. The current time is 8:02. It's the 29th of December 2010, and just a couple of days to go before the end of the year. And obviously also the end of the year, the tax year for America. And what you've probably noticed, over each day we seem to see the Dow slowly edge up, and it hasn't been drastic moves either way, but a slow, steady trend. A lot of that's attributed to the end of the tax year and a lot of window dressing. The key will be, I think, when we come back on Tuesday, as to see whether or not there is any any evidence to suggest that trend will continue. We did get some data last night. It wasn't the best. Consumer confidence came in the States, and that was down. And also housing prices actually also came under pressure, so a little bit of a concern on those fronts. Is the economy stalling? Let's see. But I think you'll find leading into the end of the year, you'll probably find that prices remain relatively well bid. Okay, let's have just a quick snapshot as to what's happening there. And as we can see, the Dow was up 25 on the close. The S&P was up 1.3 and the Nasdaq was down 3.8. Interesting to see the high-tech Nasdaq under pressure there just a little bit. Basically, a couple of things. Consumer confidence, we mentioned, unexpectedly falls. Also comments there from Schiller concerning the optimism in the housing sector seems to start fading. This is a concern across the board. So we see a little bit more negativeness coming towards the market than it could be in a bumpy ride for the first quarter of the year. Let's see how that occurs. Also to note, it's very important, China moves on their interest rates on Christmas Day, where they actually increased them by, I think it was 0.25%. It's probably less than that, sorry. And as a result of that, the market's still coming to grips with what's happening there. China does appear pretty resolute in its ability to want to close or slow down the market, slow down their economy, and as a result of that, we've just got to be visual as to other measures. Remember, they've tried price fixing. The bank's reserve rates has increased, and also now interest rates. So that's something we've really got to focus on to see whether or not it's something that they will in fact slow down their economy. If they do slow, that might have an implication to Australia, because we might see a little bit of a rest for a while. Anyway, let's see how that travels, and let's see how that goes. Also, just coming on to a few of the other, let's have some of the other market data. Just a little bit of an overview, and we'll just use Bloomberg because it's a little bit easier this morning. The Dow we mentioned was up. The FTSE was on holidays, but the top 50 in Europe was down 2. CAC was down 3, and the DAX was down to 1.37. Having a look at some of the currencies, Aussie's had a pretty good run. Little Aussie there is up 0.47. Was trading above 101 earlier this morning. The dollar yen 82.45, the euro 131.30, and the pound 153. As you can see, the euro remains relatively weak. Obviously, a break through 130 is going to be a key for it against the euro. Obviously, things in Europe are a concern, and people have been moving towards the US dollar. But just over the last couple of days, we've seen a little bit of reversal on that. Have a look at the commodities now. And I guess the key big mover today was gold. Gold was up 23 points, $23 at 114.06. At 14.06, silver had a very strong move. That's up to a 30-year high for silver. Closed up 3.5% at 30.29. Copper was good, up 4 and a bit at 432.15. And as you can see, going through the softs, soybeans are up 2.5, wheat was up 18, and corn was up 8 at 6.23. All the softs there, particularly the corn and soya, are suffering concerns there as a result of dry weather in Argentina, and through to the pollination period as well for the corn, which is something which is pretty important. Because this is the time where we start to feel we get some good yields. Anyway, so let's see how that unfolds. Cotton was down 1.4 at 154, 144. Remember, we suggested buying some puts in there because we feel that's probably not a bad thing to look at the moment. Well, that's pretty much about it for today. Things will be pretty brief over the next couple of days, and I'm also on holiday for the next 2 weeks as of tomorrow afternoon. But the DC will be looking after us from there. Let's see how it all tracks. It's going to be quite an interesting year, and naturally we'll put together our thoughts for the quarters over the next couple of days, and we'll certainly send that out to clients. If you don't get it, give us a shout and we can send it to you. Okay, that's about it from me. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.